Introducing Agaro Regal Plus Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner has compact ABS plastic body, making it lightweight, durable and portable. It has 0.8 liter dust collecting capacity and 6.5 kVA section pressure. This cleaner consumes 800 watt. Its aerodynamic nozzle design ensures maximum dust suction from even the most hard to reach spots. It comes with 5-meter power cord. The Agaro Regal Plus vacuum cleaner has bagless technology, giving you a hassle-free experience. This box includes vacuum cleaner, upright handle, ceramic nozzle, floor brush, connector tool and multi-purpose brush. So why are you waiting for? Shop from Amazon.